Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw a line in Google Docs. How you can draw a line in a table on Google Docs. So here, if I have this table that I want to add a line, for example, I'm going to just insert the row first. For example, I'm going to draw a line in here. So basically, you can just go to insert, and if you want to add only a horizontal line, you can just use this option to add the line like this, and the line will be automatically added. But if you want to draw a vertical line, you want to add a vertical line, you need to use the drawing feature on Google Docs. So first, you can go to insert, and here find drawing, this one, and click on new. Okay, so you'll be directed to here, the drawing feature. You can just click on this line and just draw the vertical line that you want to add, like this. For example, click save and close, and after that it will be added to your table just like that, just like this. If you want to adjust it again, you can just click on edit in here, and the drawing feature will be open again. Here you can you can edit the line. For example, you want to change the weight, you can go to this, or you can also change the line dash here. So you can edit it in here. So guys, that's how you can draw a line on a table in Google Docs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye!